Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you some questions and you have to answer. So let's get started. What language do you speak?
I speak English and my native language, which is Urdu. I speak Punjabi also because it's my mother tongue, and I'm also learning a bit of German as it's widely spoken around the world.
Okay, that's good. When did you learn to speak English?
I learned English in school, but I improved my English by watching movies and practicing with native speakers. I have been also using language apps and taking an online course.
Okay, do you think English is a difficult language to learn?
Well, I think there are various things that are difficult, like pronunciation and grammar. When especially language like English, this language is very different from our native language, so that's why.
Okay, would you like to learn any other language in the future?
I would love to learn like Japanese because I am fascinated by the culture of Japan, and it would be useful for when I travel to Japan.
All right, overall good, but your answers are short. Just try to add some more, and at the end you need to conclude your answer.
Yes.
So you need to answer like direct answer in 2 to 3 sentences, elaborate your answer and then conclude your answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but
Yes.
overall it's good.
Yes.
Now let's go on. How often do you eat chocolate?
Well, I love to eat.
Speak loudly, yes.
Well, I love to eat chocolate occasionally, once or twice in a week. It helps me to make my mood well, and so that's why I eat chocolate.
Okay, what's your favorite flavor?
Well, there are lot of flavors in chocolates, but my favorite flavor is milk chocolate because I love its creamy taste. So that's why.
Okay, is chocolate expensive in your country?
Well, in my country, chocolates prices vary depending on brands. The local brands are affordable and they have less price, but the branded chocolates and premium chocolates are higher price than the local ones.
When was the first time you ate a chocolate?
I don't remember the exact age, but when I was 4 or 5 year old, the first time I tried milk chocolate, and its taste was fascinated.
Its taste was fascinating, or its taste fascinated me.
And its taste fascinated me.
Okay, is chocolate popular in your country?
Well, chocolate is very popular in our country because in different occasions,
On different occasions.
on different occasions, people send as chocolates as a gift to their loved ones and to their family members and other people around them, and it is very common in our country.
Okay, they are very common because we say chocolates, so
Chocolate.
they are very common in my country.
Yeah.
Overall, it's good.
Yeah.
You have answered all the questions, but it sounds like you are struggling. So try to come out of this struggle, and for that you need practice.
Okay.
Practice all the topics, okay?
Yes.
For part 1, 10 topics a day, and for part 2, 5 topics a day. Inshallah, you'll be good. Right? Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.